There are a few more questions that we need to deal with. So I'll directly go to the notes. Now, what role do dead plant cell play in waste management? Dead plant cell in tissue like bark or old xylem can serve as storage for some waste material. This way, the plant segregates waste from its living cells, utilizing dead or aging part for waste accumulation. Again, you can search for tall trees being cut and someone analyzing the ring, a botanist, they can explain this in detail. How do falling leaves assist plant in waste elimination? Falling leaves are a way of for plant to shed waste, especially in deciduous plants. When leaves age, they accumulate waste product and they eventually shed. And they eventually shed, is it not? Anyways, and they eventually shed. Okay, and eventually shed, helping plant get rid of this accumulated waste effectively. Okay, I think grammatically this is right, but I read it in a different way. Now, how do plant use cellular? Oh, sorry, we didn't discuss this. Falling leaves are ways of shedding off waste, especially in deciduous plant. When leaves age, they accumulate waste product over there. So basically, it's like you keeping it in a bag and throwing out the bag. It's as simple as that, right? You make a waste bag, right? Dry waste, wet waste, dry waste, segregating it and putting it across so that it can be collected. I hope you guys are doing that. So in the same way, plants do that. How do plants use cellular structure and substance for waste storage? Plants store waste product in cellular vacuoles and in substance like resin and gums. This is particularly common in old xylem tissues. So this too, all of this you can see it in cut down trees. Just search for cut down trees and you might get someone explaining all of this. They do generally. Such storage method prevents wastage from interfering with plants' vital metabolic process. So there is a definite place wherein the trees puts it across, and even xylem can be seen very clearly. There is you can see, how do I put it across? Mushrooms growing in those xylem places, not in this waste places. Again, you see a good video, you'll get to see that. It's pretty interesting. Do plants excrete waste into their environment? Yes, some plants have special mechanism to excrete waste substance into the surrounding soil. This can include excessive salt and other metabolic byproducts, which helps the plant maintain its internal chemical balance. So there's so many variation in nature that we can not think of, That was about your few extra bit of questions that you guys have in your books.